Brad Pitt isn't just starring in F1 these days, he's revving up to take pole position in legal drama too. That's right, Brad just filed a motion to access Angelina Jolie's private messages ahead of their never-ending courtroom showdown over the now infamous Château Miraval winery. Because apparently, nothing says closure like subpoenaing your ex's DMs. And if you thought this was just another Hollywood breakup turned business brawl, think again. This is Shakespeare with champagne. Brad is now trying to drag a Swiss businessman, who probably just wanted to sip rose in peace, into a deposition over Zoom. That's right, Brad's lawyers are basically saying, "We don't need you in California, Alexei, just put on a nice shirt and log in." Meanwhile, Angelina's somewhere sipping herbal tea in a Maleficent robe, while all of this unfolds like an Oscar-winning drama she didn't ask to be in anymore. So buckle up, folks, because this video is diving deep into the juiciest celebrity legal vintage of the year. This isn't just a battle over wine, it's wine country, and there's no cork in sight. Brad Pitt filed a motion to gain access to his ex-wife Angelina Jolie's private messages ahead of the former couple's trial over French winery Château Miraval. According to legal documents obtained by Page 6, the F1 star is asking the court to compel Alexei Oliynik of Stoli Group to release his communications with the Tomb Raider actress and sit for a deposition. Pitt claims in the documents filed in June that he attempted to meet and confer with Oliynik regarding the legal matter, but so far has been unable to make any progress. Pitt alleges that Oliynik, a Switzerland native, has refused to comply with the legal process based on Switzerland's authority that foreign nationals cannot be made to travel to California for deposition. The actor's attorneys argue that the case law Oliynik referenced has no application in this case because Pitt is asking for a remote deposition to occur in Oliynik's country of residence. Jolie, 50, and Pitt, 61, purchased the winery together during their relationship. After the exes called it quits, the Maleficent star sold her stake, which Pitt claimed was a vindictive attempt to get back at him during their bitter divorce. Pitt has opposed the sale and sued his now ex-wife over the issue in 2022. In the June 30th filing, Pitt alleges Oliynik was acting at the direction of his boss, Stoli chief Yuri Shefler, as the key operative behind the purchase, making him unquestionably one of this lawsuit's most important witnesses. The judge is yet to rule on the matter. A source familiar with Pitt's legal situation exclusively tells Page 6 the filing is not just about Alexei Oliynik, it's about Stoli Group as a whole. The insider added that Pitt's hand has been forced. Stoli has consistently chosen to avoid or challenge evidentiary court rulings, said a second source. They've been failing to comply with the typical legal process. A trial date has yet to be set for the exes' dispute over the winery. Reps for Pitt, Jolie and Stoli Group did not immediately respond to Page 6 requests for comment. Pitt and Jolie began dating in 2004. They eventually married 10 years later. However, they called it quits in 2016 after 2 years of marriage. The two stars finally reached a divorce settlement in December 2024 after a lengthy 8-year legal battle. Pitt, who is now in a relationship with Ines de Ramon, still has regrets about his messy breakup from Jolie, which turned the kids against him. The Mr. and Mrs. Smith co-stars share 6 children: Maddox, 23, Pax, 21, Zahara, 20, Shiloh, 19, and 16-year-old twins Vivienne and Knox. His biggest regret is he can't repair this, a source told Us Weekly earlier this month. The case is over, but there are no winners. To have that behind him is a relief. But on the other hand, it's been hard for him because he doesn't have a great relationship with his kids. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.